Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to do keyword research on Google Search Console. As you can see, I'm into my Google Search Console dashboard, right? And here in the left side we have an option of performance in the left side toolbar. So I'm going to click on performance, and here it is showing me the performance of last 3 months, right? And scrolling down, it is showing me for which keyword how much impression I have received in Google search engine result page and how many users have clicked on that particular search result of my web page and entered onto my website, right? And open my website. So it is showing me for those keywords, right? So as you can see, I can come to know that my any web page is ranking for cooler manufacturer in Ghaziabad keyword as well, and like it have appeared for 156 times in previous 3 months in Google search engine result page, and 8 users have clicked on that particular search result, right, of my web page and have entered on to my website, right? So again here I'm just changing the rows per page to like 100. Okay, I'm also ranking for cooler manufacturer in Delhi, air cooler manufacturer in Ahmedabad, right? And cooler manufacturer and like Yeti cooler company, cooler manufacturer in Bhopal, right? So like cooler manufacturer in Aurangabad. So whenever I click on this keyword, then it automatically shows me which page is ranking for that particular keyword, right? So from here I get an idea like which of my web pages are ranking good in Google search engine result page and which web pages are not ranking in Google search engine result page, right? So I can put my efforts on those web pages which are not ranking in Google search engine result page, right? I can do SEO of those pages, right? Whether on page SEO or whether off page SEO, right? But coming to those pages which are performing good already in Google search engine result page, then what I can do is like I can add some more keywords, right? Or I can do off page SEO of that particular page on the next level, right? I can put more efforts on the off page SEO of that page so that that particular page would automatically perform more better, right? Better than what it is performing right now, right? As you can see, whenever I click on back and go back, okay, here for example, let me change the property over here. Let me open this property. This would be much interesting to do research. Okay, here this is the performance report, and for example, let me change it to 250 rows per page and click on more and see the previous 12 months result. Change the duration to 12 months, and here as you can see there is a keyword manufacturing business under 20 lakhs, right? And my web page appeared on Google search engine result page for 1240 times, right? And 39 users have clicked on this web page. So whenever I click on this, you can see the average position is 7.8, right? And it is getting users from 7.8 average position, right? So like we can work on this coming to the queries. So it is only ranking for a single keyword as of now, right? So we can like add some more keywords, or we can create backlinks using anchor text related to the keyword which it is ranking for right now, right? We can add anchor text like businesses under 20 lakh, or like best manufacturing businesses under 20 lakh, or like top manufacturing businesses under 20 lakhs. So we can add those keywords as anchor text while creating backlinks on other websites, so that this page starts ranking for those keywords also. So this is how you can simply do the keyword research in Google Search Console. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Google Search Console, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Google Search Console. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website and read articles related to digital marketing and can join the digital marketing course. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.